In London's West End, the struggle against illegally dumped rubbish is a constant nightmare. One of the worst areas for dumped food and waste is Chinatown, where the hundreds of restaurants often flagrantly disregard the rules. Today, Yarno, the council's no-nonsense Grimefighter, is starting his tour of duty with an old fridge languishing on the pavement.
Well, it seems that someone has left the fridge outside. There's no way you can find out where it's from. You know, it's just a piece of electrical equipment. In general, if an item is reported and submitted to Veolia, our contractor, it's gone within 3 hours or so. 3 hours at the most is the time waste will spend on the street before it's removed.
So with a quick phone call, the fridge is dealt with. Now it's onto a much bigger problem just down the street.
Well, I always find something here. We've got quite a problem here with maintaining cleansing standards, fly tipping. As you can see, you know, the bins, they've just been picked up, I think, about an hour ago, and they're already starting to overflow. It's incredible how much waste this area generates. It's tons and tons and tons.
The main problem for Yarno is to find any evidence amongst the rubbish of an address to lead him to the culprit. But the perpetrators are getting wise to this, so they're making sure there's nothing on the rubbish to link them.
There's absolutely not a single shred of evidence there, so you know, the only thing we can do is to avoid any more from going out by just trying to dispose of it as good as I can. You know, it is a never-ending battle here, especially, you know, some areas are better than others, but especially in Chinatown, it's dumping of waste has been going on for such a long time. It's certain mentality people have got, and they're just used to leaving things out and not taking pride in their environment. It's sad to see waste left out on the street like this, but you know, there's only so much you can do.
In Soho, Yarno is continuing his tour of Chinatown, clamping down on illegal rubbish. But he's suddenly spied a pigeon helping itself to an early lunch.
Oh, dear. Right, I don't think this needs much explaining. It's obviously someone that didn't really enjoy the food in Chinatown and reversed his digestive system.
All that Yarno needs to do now is dial in the flushers to get the mess cleared away. As he waits, Yarno can't help but have a rummage around some other illegal bin bags. Commercial waste should be put out in paid-for marked bin bags, not black ones. So if Yarno can find evidence of an address in the bag, then he can find the business.
Now, it was fairly easy to get evidence from this. So what I'll do, I'll take this evidence back and I'll issue a fixed penalty for this. Unpaid commercial waste usually always gets a fixed penalty.
As luck would have it, suddenly the owner of the bags appears.
You're going to get a fine now, don't you know? You can't leave it out in black bags.
But it's amazing how far a bit of pleading will go.
I beg you, please help me. I'm going now and I'm coming and within 10 minutes I will clear it.
Yeah. No, that's fine. I'll give you an hour then, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you an hour, please.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I apologize.
No problem.
I feel guilty too.
No problem. Thank you very much.
So allowing a stay of execution, a charitable Yarno returns to see how the flushers are doing, cleaning up the pavement pizza.
Well, we've got the flushing vehicle here now. So what's going to happen now is we're going to flush it away, disinfect it with a disinfectant, and also spread a bit of scent over it, so at least it smells better.
With a quick washdown, the legacy of an over-exuberant diner is quickly flushed away down the nearby gully, and the doorway is given a sweet-smelling makeover. All in all, a successful end to Yarno's day.